Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to test few potato food hacks from 5-minute craft and see if they are real or fake. Before starting the video, like, share, and those of you who haven't subscribed yet, what are you doing guys? Don't forget to subscribe. Also click on the bell icon to get all the post notifications. For the first hack, I have taken a potato. I don't think so I have ever peeled it in both the directions. So let's try it. As you can see, surprisingly, I can easily peel this. And also the pieces I'm getting are quite long. So yeah, this hack was a big success. For the next hack, I'm going to use the potato skin we just peeled. Sprinkle some salt. Black pepper powder. Paprika powder or red chili powder. Then drizzle some oil over it. And bake this for 10 minutes at 180 degrees. It was in the oven for approximately 15 minutes and it has come out very crispy. It tastes amazing. So instead of wasting and throwing away the potato skin, now we have a perfect quick snack. So yeah, this was a big success. For the next hack, I've taken a bowl. Place a strainer over it, then take 2 boiled potatoes and using another bowl press it so that it passes through the strainer. At the end you'll have to use a spoon, but look how satisfying it is. Remove it in the bowl and you get a nice smooth and lump-free mash. Then transfer it into a piping bag. I've used the star nozzle for this. Then pipe it on a baking tray like so. Then I'm not sure if they have used melted butter or egg, so I'm going to use both on either sides. Then bake it for 10 minutes at 180 degrees. It obviously took more than 10 minutes, so it was in the oven for 25 minutes. And now it looks very pretty and comes out easily as well. Let's taste it. This is with the butter and this one is with the egg. Both of them taste very similar. I also made it in different shape and it looks very pretty. The taste is nice, but it's lacking a bit of salt. I don't know why they didn't add it, but if you add salt and a bit more flavorings, this recipe will be a big success. Let's start with the next hack. Take a baking paper, place few slices of raw potato, drizzle some oil over it, sprinkle some salt, some black pepper powder, and fold this parcel like they did it in the video. Bake it for 30 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Now it's out of the oven after 35 minutes. It smells amazing. Let's open it and give it a taste. It's very moist. Even though the entire slice is not seasoned completely, it tastes really amazing. You should definitely try this and it was a big success. For our last hack, take a foil paper, place small pieces of raw potato, spread them out evenly, drizzle some oil, and sprinkle some mixed herbs. Cover this and place an iron over it. Let's open it now. Our potatoes were cooked in just 40 minutes. They are not cooked consistently, but it's fine. They are at least cooked through. Let's taste it now. Also, it's very soggy, but the taste is quite okay. But I'll not make this again. So for me, this hack was a 50-50. Try these super fun hacks yourself and let us know how they were in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more amazing videos.